your gastrointestinal tract, and the second category is your abdominal organ.
Yun na right
Okay, so these are the two major categories of your digestive system: the alimentary canal and the gastrointestinal tract, and the accessory organs. I'll be discussing today the alimentary canal, anatomy first, and then physiology by Friday. And the rest of the structures will be discussed on Friday. Start off with your alimentary canal. Starts from the mouth or the oral cavity down to the anus. There are 7 organs under these categories. These are your, again, the oral cavity or the mouth, your pharynx or the throat, this is your esophagus. Ano ba? This is the esophagus.
Ma'am, yung red?
This one, anterior to the ascending aorta. Anterior to the ascending aorta, followed by your stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and then later on I will show you the anus. Again, those are the 7 organs under the alimentary canal for the gastrointestinal tract. Again, from the mouth or the oral cavity, these are the boundaries. Anteriorly, it is bounded by your labia, L-A-B-I-A, or your lips, upper and lower lip. Anterior boundary of the oral cavity or the mouth is your labia or lip, upper and lower lip. Okay? The roof of your oral cavity, this is the roof of your oral cavity. This is your hard palate and this is your soft palate. Roof of the oral cavity, you have your hard palate, one, nothing later pointed. Hard palate and you have your soft palate posteriorly. Okay? The floor of the oral cavity is this one, your tongue. Tongue, floor of the oral cavity. And the posterior boundary of your oral cavity. Nahulog ako pag nalaman. Sino mo yung color orange?
No. Ah, yes.
Ikaw na nakakita, no?
Oh my God!
Ano? Mom, ito mo. Sino laling ka? Kita niyo yung orange? Hindi ko na-aputi.
Ma'am, okay na. Ma'am, okay na po. Ma'am, huwag na kayong makiyak.
Kita niyo? Hindi pa rin?
Ma'am, kita na.
Those are the palatine and the lingual tonsils. Okay? Palatine and the lingual tonsils. Again, the boundaries of your oral cavity, the labia anteriorly, upper and lower lip, the roof, hard and soft palate, floor, you have your tongue, posteriorly you have your palatine and the lingual tonsils. This one, kulay puti. Kita niyo ba?
Yes. Ay, nawala.
Ayun o, yung parang dot na puti. That is what you call the frenulum. Frenulum is a membrane
Wow.
The frenulum is a membrane that provides support to the tongue. So when you open your mouth and you push your tongue upward, you will see that membrane located at the center. Okay? Sige, up. I-up mo. Move the tongue. Yan. That's it. That's the frenulum, yung membrane in the middle. That supports the tongue. Okay? The space, that's all that. The space in between the cheeks, your teeth, and the gums is called the vestibule. The space in between the cheeks, your teeth, and gum is called the vestibule. Okay? Okay, next. So from the mouth or the oral cavity, we proceed to the next structure of your alimentary canal, which is the pharynx, commonly known as your throat. It is divided into three parts: the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and the laryngopharynx. I will not discuss that elaborately because I already did that when we had your respiratory system. The function of the pharynx is dual. What's peculiar about the pharynx? First, it allows the passage of the air, and the second one, it allows the passage of the food and the fluid, which is a digestive function. So from the pharynx, the food will flow down to the esophagus. Esophagus is otherwise known as the gullet.